Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to quickly and easily activate a paid plan using a redeem code. Step 1. Check your email inbox for the redeem code you received. If you don't see the message in your inbox, it's probably in your spam or junk folder. So make sure to check there as well. Click on Report as Not Spam. Once it's reported as not spam, the message will move into the inbox. So let's go to the inbox and open the message. Step 2. Once you've opened the message, copy the redeem code. Step 3. Go to Diima. Step 4. Log into your account. Step 5. Click on the Account Settings button. Step 6. Click on Redeem Code. Step 7. Paste the copied code into the text field. Click on Submit. And that's it. Your premium plan is now activated. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I wish you great success in your professional journey. Thanks for watching.